Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how you can import fonts inside Capcut. It is very easy, so first thing you need to do is open your web browser and type the font inside Google search and then look for the first result, which would be thefont.com. And in here you can categorize, let's say cartoon, comic, groovy, old school, and whatever. So let's say for example I want to get something like cartoon look like. So let's click on the icon right here. We're going to get it on our device. And then we're going to unzip it simply by left clicking on it. Then in here you want to work with this OTF file, just double click and then press install in here. It will take just a few seconds and this will be installed. Going in, I'm looking for this. And as you can see, I'm not having that in here. And this is simply because you need to restart. You can see that it's here. Just select it and use it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.